Okay, this is that same data from question 9. This time they're asking you a long, wordy question that ends with, if the value of the independent variable is increased by 1, then find the change in the dependent variable. X is your independent and Y is your dependent, and it's always going to be your slope. That is how much your Y is going to change whenever you change X by 1 unit, just your slope. In this true-false question, I've seen it worded both ways. It says, not all points predicted by the linear model fall on the same line, true or false. That's false. If it says all points predicted, blah, 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 fall on the same line, that's true. That's the truth. This one is false. And then finally, it says, determine the value of the dependent variable y hat at x equals 0. And then they give you multiple choice. They want to know which one of these is going to be equal to y hat if x is 0. And here's the math for it. It's just the same formula we've been using. What if x was equal to 0? If x was equal to 0, then y hat would be equal to what? The y-intercept, also known as b sub 0, which is really all you need to know to answer this question. If x is going to be 0, then y hat is going to be sub 0. There is one more kind of question you might get on this, where it says find the error prediction when x equals 31. Okay, so here's our formula, y hat. These numbers we got out of the calculator. 31 is what they told us to use for x. So our predicted value is 3.0953. Error equals observed minus predicted. Observed error comes from the data they gave us. When x is 31, we observe that y is 4. Observed minus predicted. This was our predicted. So this is the error prediction when x is 31, rounded to 4 places.